KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Here's the story of a bossy lady who was working with 3 very social girls. All of them had minds of gold, like their leader, the newest ones in turns. It's the story of a man called Ferry who was busy with a tech team of his own. There were 4 men solving problems, always on the phone. Then one day both these groups thought together to create some brand new content by lunch, so that this group could somehow make money. That's the way we all became the Katie Bunch, the Katie Bunch, the Katie Bunch. That's the way we became